And here I'm doing a hot dog burrito, right? A Southern California
breakfast burrito.
Exactly.
Shut the door.
So we're gonna start with your favorite scrambled egg recipe.
Right.
And then we're gonna add basically whatever toppings you want. To make it a Southern California burrito, I'm gonna need some French fries. Can you grab French fries out of the oven? It's also hot.
Sure.
You got it?
I got it.
You have to use French fries. So here's some French fries. I'm gonna top that in the burrito. People are freaking out right now. He's putting French fries in a burrito. We're gonna add some charred onions. And then really this is a burrito. Add whatever ingredients you love, right? Do you like red sauce? Right?
Sure.
I'll add a little red sauce.
Sure.
Do you like green sauce?
Sure. Add a little green sauce.
I'll add a little red and green sauce, whatever you want. Avocado.
Sure.
Let's do it. A little bit of lime.
Yes.
All right, a lot of cilantro.
Yes.
This is a tortilla that's been warmed on the griddle, right?
Right.
And then you're just gonna sort of go big with it.
And roll.
You're gonna wrap it up here just wrap it up in your aluminum foil. And what I love about this is
it kind of sets it.
It sets it. Yeah, you got that side there. You got this. And then when your guests show up, you can just have these sort of like sitting on the grill waiting for them when they arrive, right? Okay.